Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix hands in a portrait with Nano Banana because this is a very specific and common issue with AI image generation. I'll show you what to do. You just come here to Google Gemini, open up a new chat, click here on Tools, and toggle this one on, Create Images. And as long as you see this icon, then you have Nano Banana toggled. Then you just add your image. So just go ahead and drag and drop this to Google Gemini, right? And I'll show you example prompts that you can go ahead and use. I'll leave these in the description, okay? So you can easily copy paste. So the first focus is on anatomy. So this is the prompt. I'll just copy paste this for now, and we'll let Nano Banana work its magic while I explain what is going on as well. So we are being very specific. We're only editing the visible hand. We're telling it to correct the structure to show 5 distinct fingers. We're being very clear, very specific with them and how, the hand should face, okay, the pose, everything. And we're also asking you to keep everything else completely unchanged. And this prompt focuses more on realism. As you can see, maybe you get a perfect hand, but it doesn't have the texture. Okay, it doesn't have the subtle details. Then you can use the second one. Of course, they'll all be in the description. So let's see what it came up with. There we go. It has fixed the hand, and you can easily just go ahead and download this and use it. Okay, and that is how to fix hands in a portrait with Nano Banana.